Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. I'm Sarah.
This is Ogün.
And we're here with Fine Line Kitchen. So we're a couple working together. I do the interior design and remodeling of the space, material selection, meeting with the clients.
And I handle the operations outside, meaning all the construction work that is taking place inside the houses that we work in. I handle all the aspects of the construction.
So today's project is very special. We're in Vienna and the client had a very big family. It's a family of 7 that lives here. So we had a few aspects that we needed to keep in mind while designing this. One, having everybody be able to sit at the island. So we wanted plenty of seating all the way around. We didn't want anybody standing or anything like that. So what we did is we maximized the space. The center island is the biggest part of the kitchen. We use a natural stone to kind of give it a beautiful texture versus a quartz is kind of standard white or kind of fabricated. So I wanted something very natural. We did this because I took my inspiration from the outside. So the inspiration, if you actually look at the view right in front of me, is there's so much greens, there's a lot of brass accents, and I wanted to bring this into this kitchen while designing it for my clients. She is very warm, she wanted a very homey, comfy kind of look for the kitchen. So that's what we did today. As you can see, the cabinets are sage green, very light. So I still think it's a neutral, but it's a lighter color that again brings the outside in. And we combined that with the oak right behind me. So it's a slightly warm oak. It's not very dark, it's not very light, it's a medium brown. And the same color went on the island to kind of tie these two in. And the backsplash, my favorite part, is where you can see a little bit of design. It is, from my opinion, still classic, but including a pattern. So the outside part, as we said in the beginning, is handled by my husband, and I'd like him to speak a little bit about that.
Thanks, Sarah. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the construction part of this project. Originally, this kitchen was located mostly in this area. They had their stove, their sink. It was more of a peninsula layout. In Sarah's and the customer vision, they wanted to get rid of the peninsula, and they want to be able to have a huge island that can at least sit 7 people, because they're a family of 7. So we wanted to make sure that we can achieve this design and bring it to life so that they can be happy with this layout. Some of the challenges we had, the home being an old home, there were a lot of the older electrical and plumbing that had to be replaced. We had to relocate the stove from here to this area over here. We had put a nice hood fan that we had to relocate all the ductwork, and the plumbing was being on the peninsula area. We had to relocate it to the center islands. So we achieved all this and kind of like bringing this kitchen up to date. It looks beautiful.
So yes, the old layout did not function for my clients because everything was kind of gathered on one side of the kitchen. So there was like a peninsula right there. So the end of this island kind of continued straight, and that was just the L shape kind of where everything was. And there used to be another big table here. So they were using only kind of half of the space. So like I said in the beginning, our vision was to kind of seat everybody at the island, create some symmetry, because I love that. So as you can see behind me, this is kind of the focal point, symmetrical, everything kind of even. We wanted to also panel the fridge here so it mimics the pantry on the other side. So when you're looking at it, it is bringing again that symmetry back again. So how do you think this project turned out?
It's really nice. I really like the color. I think it turned out really nice. It's kind of like a little bit different color than what we always do. So I really.
So are you giving me a little bit of credit here that I did something different?
Of course,
are you
all
proud?
The time. Yes, I'm so proud of you. Other than that, I really like that they have kind of like a 2 sink. So if this was our kitchen, if we ever like...
You can have your own, I can have mine?
Yeah, if we ever get into a fight, then this can be like my own kitchen.
Why are we gonna bring in a fight right now? So I'm cooking anyway, you're grilling most of the time, so what are you even talking about here? This is my kitchen.
No, that's my kitchen.
You can just take the small sink, that's fine.
It's always good to have your own space right there. So
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We
Thanks
hope
for
to see you soon. And if you have any questions, please click the link below. It'll lead you to our website, House, YouTube, and all of the social medias. So nice to have you guys. We'll see you soon.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye.